All right, markets are off slightly, but we've rallied back about 20 bips in the last hour. Mostly off of just global fears, or well, the pressure, global fears, fear of recession, gold strong, yields down. I believe I saw the 10-year below 1.65. That's been a line in the sand. Flattened yield curve. I believe they said it's as flat as it's been since 2007. And actually inverted in the front end, as we've talked about over the last few weeks. It's a lot different with an inverted yield curve when yields are around 2% as opposed when they're around 9%. But it's not a sign of strength. It's not a sign of freaking out either, though. VIX up slightly, back above the 20 handle. So we'll see. I'm seeing a little bit of strength, and which
Good morning, everyone.
it's not that's not atypical for a Tuesday when you have a Monday down, but we'll see. Are the sellers waiting there,
I saw your comments.
or are we going to put them on their heels? I don't know.